Hey, look, Wells, Ken Suarez down on Park Avenue with the city's new horticulturist. This is Kevin Polk. Lots of activity going on here. This morning, I see lots of trees going in. What's going in and what is this going to look like on Park Avenue in the next few months?
Well, today's a very exciting day for Lake Wells, and especially for phase one. Right now we have cathedral live oaks going in, and they will be lining this whole street. Especially right here, you're going to see a big tunnel of live oaks all the way down this strip right here.
And landscaped underneath with all kinds of fun stuff.
Yes, sir, yep.
So when I think of a live oak, I think of those grandfather oaks that kind of spread out. This is not this particular species, right?
No, sir. No, it's a cultivar it's a cultivar from the original southern live oak.
And this is only the beginning. We're talking about how many, and just give me an estimate on this, how many live oaks are going to be going in the downtown area?
Well, in phase one here, we're going to have probably over 20 live oaks just in this phase. Through the whole downtown, we're expected to have over 60.
I look down and I see beautiful new concrete sidewalks. And you're doing something to make sure that those roots don't go through the sidewalk and destroy it. You have a piece of technology here. Explain to us how this whole thing works.
Well, this right here, this is called soil cells here, or tree cells. And underneath 4 inches of concrete here, you have this. Underneath, around each one of these 5x5 boxes. And what this does is it keeps the soil from compacting to make it easier for the roots to go through. But also, we also have snorkels there, which basically provides airflow down underneath the sidewalk to give the roots air.
Describe, what's a snorkel?
A snorkel.
Because I think of that kind of snorkeling.
It's basically, it does the same thing. It helps get the air underneath the sidewalk to the roots, so for healthy root growth.
So you guys are going to be using so-called rain gardens. This is a new term for a lot of people. So explain to us what that means, what they're going to look like, and how they're going to function.
Well, as it rains and the rain flows down Park Avenue, you have these notches cut out in the curbs, and what happens is the rain will flow through these notches, and it will actually water the plants that are inside the rain gardens.
So the rain garden is good for the rainy season, obviously, but then there's that other season, which is actually more months per year when it's dry. What happens then?
Well, we did install irrigation to be able to handle so the vegetation will get water during the drought season.
So the trees are going in at this point, but a lot of bushes and liriope and other wonderful annuals will eventually be going in. So if people come downtown, they're going to see a lot of this work going on. Again, just starting now, but it's going to keep going through the end of this year and into next year. So lots of greening going on. You can see it by just taking a walk in this area, and you're going to be amazed to see how much work is being done starting right now.